Everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my quilting studio. Today I am going to introduce you to my 12 days of Christmas giveaways. I am so excited to do this and to share in the joy of the season with you all. So I want to just go ahead and show you already, if you don't know, because I've been posting goodies for the giveaway already. I'm going to show you what day 1 and day 2 have been, and then we'll move on to day 3. Now, I do want to let you know that each day will be something different. There will be one winner only for each day, and it's only open to residents in the United States. I did want to let you know that. We do have a couple of sponsors that will be sponsoring a couple of the giveaways. Not just yet, because those are really big giveaways and I think you are going to absolutely love them. Let's talk about day 1. Day 1's giveaway is you get 5 fabrics in each pack. So there's 5 different fabrics in each pack. I believe these are fat quarter sized. There's those. There's 2 actually that are the same in this bundle right here, which is great because you could actually make something really cute with that. There's this one. This is day 1. This kicked off day 1 of our 12 days of Christmas. Go to my website, which is where I have all of the giveaway information set up. It's craftyauthor.com or thecraftyauthor.com. Either one is fine. And you'll click on the blog, and then you'll see where it says 12 Days of Christmas, and you'll see the photos of each one that's there. There is a link that is in those blog posts where you can go and you can enter for each item. So make sure you do that. The next thing for day 2 is pretty special. I have to say it is pretty special. Is the HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press. This is the first one that they put out. This is the one that you have seen me do many tumblers with. This is a great product because you can make your own customized tumblers out of whatever. So you can use sublimation for this, or you can buy already pre-made sublimation sheets and you can use those as well and press them onto your sublimation tumbler mugs. This one will also make coffee mugs. I believe up to 12 ounces. 15 is a little bit too big because I did try that. So this one will do 12 ounces. Total game changer. I have mine set up right over there. I love it and I use it all the time. So this is day 2. Again, HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press, day 2 for the 12 days of Christmas. Day 3, which is today. Today's giveaway is I am going to be giving away the last Sophie's Pumpkin Patch kit. This is a table runner that I made, and we did this on the channel. I will link to this below so that you can check it out. Everything that you need to make this is in here, including backing fabric, plus instructions. And there is also stabilizer in here so that everything that you need is included in this kit. Binding as well. I am also going to be giving away this Moda A Bloom by Corey Yoder of Coriander Quilts. This is a quilted piece that you can quilt on your own. So this is also included in here. So this is today's day 3, 12 days of Christmas giveaways. Head on over to thecraftyauthor.com, click on the blog and you will see all of the photos for all of the giveaways so far. That is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you would like to share it, that's great, because sharing is caring. You can follow me on social media with all the links down below in the description box. I will also link to all of these giveaways in there as well. Don't forget to click the little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.